Hello and welcome back to another episode, or hello, thank you for joining for the first time. In this episode, I decided to hop into Godot and try and basically bring some of the assets across and I suppose start actually making the game rather than keep creating stuff in Aseprite. So, what I've done in this I suppose off camera, just to give you guys an example of where I'm up to. So for my project settings, I have put in the input map. So W and up arrow keys is to move up, S and down for down, A and left for left, and then D and right to go right. Um, the general, I have my viewport set to 480 and 270. Then I also have a window override for 1980 and 1080p just to make it bigger on my screen, to get an idea of what it would actually look like in game. And then I also have the mode for stretch set to viewport so that it's not teeny tiny. I believe I also set the textures to nearest, which is, I believe, the best for pixel art. Otherwise, it looks blurry to an extent. Um, but just to show you guys what I've been working on so far, I have got Kaz in here. You can kind of see from the purple line here, it's kind of faint, but I'll zoom in a bit. So you can kind of see this would be ideally the window for the game. So that's what Kaz looks like in comparison to the screen size. Not too big, not too small, plenty of room to move around and interact with the environment. So what I'd done was I made Kaz's apartment and then dropped Kaz in there, but I made Kaz as a separate scene with a collision shape. I need to actually change this to a capsule, and then let me see if I can move this up a bit. Let me figure this out. Capsule. Okay. Is that what I want to do? Maybe I'll put them like here. And then collision shape. We'll try and make this work a bit. Bear with me while I figure this out. So what we want to do is we want to have it so that Kaz himself is fitting within this so that everything kind of merges a lot better. Basically just so that when he walks that everything will be interactable. So that lines up pretty good there. But yeah, I set him to basically collision shape, a sprite 2D, and then I put in the frames. So I'll show you that here. I put in idle down, idle side, idle up, run down, run side, and run up, just to show the different states he will be in. And then I added some code for that as well. So the class name is Kaz, which extends the character body 2D. We have the, I suppose, the idle starting location to be facing down. And then again, it's idle. We have some unready variables for the animation player and the sprite 2D itself. And then we have the input directions and some other jazz like that in there as well. But yeah, I suppose just to give you a preview of what I've been working on so far, this is Kaz. So this is him just idle at the moment. And then this would be from the side, the other side, his back, and then if he were to run, it would be like this. Yeah, so nothing too special so far, just movement, character movement. But I just wanted to make a quick video today to kind of showcase what I've done so far. Um, Likely in the next video, I'll try to show more stuff on camera if I can get the time for it. But yeah, that's what I have so far. I hope to keep making these videos and kind of try get more progress done with this. But yeah, that's what we have. If you guys have any questions or if you have any ideas for what I should try and implement or any guidance, I'd really appreciate it. But other than that, this one is just going to be a quick video showcasing what I've done in Godot, and I should be back next week with more videos or a video maybe jumping back into Aseprite to finish off some assets, and then also pulling some of those assets into Kaz's apartment here so we can layer this out bit by bit. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys tune in for the next one.